In 2025, on-page SEO is still the secret to ranking higher on Google and getting the right visitors to your site. But the rules have evolved. Step 1. Keywords. Choose them wisely, place them naturally, and don't forget LSI keywords to give Google context. Step 2. Your title tag and meta description. These are your shop window in Google search. Keep them short, relevant, and irresistible to click. Step 3. Structure your content with clear headers, short URLs, and engaging, easy-to-read text. Step 4. Speed and mobile friendliness matter more than ever. If your site's slow, you lose visitors. And finally, use Schema markup for rich snippets. And optimize for voice search so you're ready for AI assistance. Need help with your SEO? MarketinGear can make it happen. Contact us now and see the change.